Welcome and welcome back to the channel. What is going on, everybody? Real quick, man, I am running late. I'm supposed to be at work around 9. Overslept, man. Editing, man. Hey, editing videos all freaking night, man. All night. Y'all know I like to be ahead of the pack. In other words, I don't want to be under the pressure of having to upload. I'm trying to maintain at least 2 a day. So I don't want to be under the pressure of not having anything set to come out 3 days in advance. So I'll do 6 edit, that is. The footage is already taken. The material is already filmed. It's just, guys, it's more work editing than it is actually filming sometimes. So don't get it twisted, man. YouTubing is not a piece of cake. You basically have to have a passion for it. You basically have to love doing it. And, you know, it's got to be your thing, okay? Because a lot of people can display, or a lot of people know a lot of stuff, but will have a hard time displaying it. Okay, it's just like I'm in the mechanical industry. I'm in the technical industry of the, automobile. There's a lot of technicians that are real good, real good, but will have a hard time passing, say, a ASC test. We have a transmission man. I used to work with a transmission guy. I did transmission for 20 years. Know everything about it, but could never seem to pass the ASC portion of the transmission. Or the engine, for that matter. He did drivetrain, period. Engine and the transmission. But he could never get across the line with passing the ASC test, man. So it's the same thing. A lot of people can film themselves doing stuff, but we're having a hard time bringing it to light as far as making it visual in front of people in the form of a video. So I'm late, man. I get in the car. I'm hearing all kinds of crazy news. Y'all know I run the news. I'm not just solely automotive, car. I love knowing my surroundings, what's going on around me. Okay, now I'm here in Georgia. I'm sure everybody done pretty much heard the news that our mayor tested positive for COVID-19. Okay, man. I mean, guys, forgive me about all the junk in the back. I had to clean that up. So we had a meeting yesterday at the shop. Manager called a meeting. Everybody come to the front. We need to sit down and talk about some things. So, guys, it's turning out it's about to be. Let me let this up. It's about to be mandatory to wear a mask. This at the job. It's mandatory to wear a mask if you're speaking with a customer, talking to a customer. And me, when I'm at the shop, because the advisors tend to call me to the shop because I have I wouldn't say a better understanding and can better explain things, but that's the fact. And advisors are, really, it's to their advantage to not know certain things, okay? Because if they knew certain things, if they knew what they was talking about, let me say it like this, because this is kind of a foul thing to say, but I can say it. I'm in my car, I'm on my channel. If the advisors knew 100% all the time what they was talking about, they wouldn't sell the job, okay? Because they would try too hard. They will make sure everything they saying is right, and the customer would be even more confused and not buy what it is that they're trying to sell or what it is that they need. So that's why I used to hear a lot of old guys saying you would make a terrible service advisor because you will be talking too much. In other words, the less you know, the better you can be at writing tickets, writing service. And I thought about that. I'm like, how is that? You would think, I tend to think I will make a good service advisor. Just say I get tired of turning wrenches, which I don't see nowhere in the future because I'm not young and healthy, but I'm healthy, and in the automotive industry, health is more important than age. Because we got some young, sick mechanics out there. You know, everything is I'm not picking on anybody. I'm just saying. So it's hard to gauge. So I would be turning wrenches for a while until I'm tired. I will not be pushed out by my physical, but from a physical standpoint, okay? Because yes, I feel great. I feel great. So I will not be pushed out, forced into retirement because my back can no longer handle it or something like that. No, that would not be the case. But as far as a service advisor, well, the topic, what I was talking about, the latest, Atlanta, I'm in Atlanta area, guys. We have to wear a mask. It's mandatory that we wear a mask if we are communicating with a customer. And that makes sense. I think they have so many complaints from customers. I told y'all a lady blew up in the shop the other day because she have a noise and the mechanic, they needed some mechanic to go ride with her. I wasn't there that day. I heard about it. I typically the ones that do that because only thing I hate about that is when I do that and I hear it, it's right there. They tend to want me to fix the car. No, I have other things to do. Or I go drive for another mechanic and they expect me to relay the information back to the mechanic. It could get hectic, man. So I tend to, no, I wasn't there that day and I'm so glad. But the mechanic got in the lady car attempting ready to go drive so they can hear the noise and the lady spazzed out. You mean you don't have a mask? Y'all don't have to wear a mask? Where's the owner? So when stuff escalates to the owner, the service manager in trouble. His job, or one of his, it's to his advantage to keep all bad press or bad news out of the manager's ear. Because the owner, not managers, the owners are typically always going to side with the customer. And they should. I mean, the goal is to keep the customer happy and keep them coming back. So just say a customer pissed off, a price too high. The manager, it's in the manager's best interest not to let that problem get to the owner, because the owner will side with the customer in most cases. I'm going to put it like that. But yes, guys, our mayor tested positive for the COVID-19. Now, from what I heard, she ain't having any symptoms, guys. Hardly any symptom. It's like she just got to go away for 14 days. No big deal. She's not going to die. She's not going to... people, the recovery rate is improving. The recovery rate is there. I'm just wondering if they are deducting those people that recover off of the list of COVID-19 people, I guess. You know, because if not, that number going to remain high and it's going to look exaggerated, guys. So she just got to go away for 14. It's no big deal. There is a big deal. Like I say, if you're already sick, all it could do is escalate your sickness. So now my point in bringing her up is she's about to sign into law that it's mandatory that you wear a mask if you're out and about. Okay, now I went to Walmart the other day. I didn't have a mask. Yes, I'm a little reckless. Yes, I should have had a mask on. Yes, I will start wearing a mask. Not start, I've been started. I will continue to wear a mask, okay, out and about. Everybody was masked up. There's a sign that say, yes, we recommend you wear a mask, but it's not mandatory. So, you know, I didn't have it and I need something out of there. But what she's about to sign into law is a mandatory that you wear a mask if you're out and about. Our job just took it a step further. Now, if I'm back there working on a car, guys, in my own little world, my own little hole, my own dropping transmission, I really don't see it. I'm in my own little space. I have 2 stalls and a flat stall. Nobody's there but me. I really don't see a need to wear a mask until it's proven that, yes, coronavirus, COVID-19 travels in the air. Okay, you can get it magically from the air. Now, it may sound like I'm joking and belittling the seriousness of this, and I'm not, guys. It's very serious. I still hear people in the shop saying it ain't real. I'm not about to debate you on whether coronavirus or COVID-19 is even real or not. That's a whole nother debate for a whole nother channel. Okay, but just wanted to chit chat with y'all on my way to work. I'm already at work, guys. I live 5-6 minutes away, maybe. Notice I started, where we at, 10 minutes now. I started this video before I took off, and I made just a super loop just to talk for 10 minutes. But it's about to be mandatory that Georgia, or not Georgia, Atlanta. It's the mayor. We're talking about the mayor. Yes, she tested positive for the COVID-19, and she came right out and explained that she was positive. I think, guys, when news leak, it's worse, okay? So she figured, even the doctor that tested her, they can't keep a secret. She figured some way, somehow, somebody will find out. She could have easily took her news and went away for 14 days and didn't tell nobody, but everybody would be, ooh, what's wrong? So it's best that you beat leaks to the point, because somebody in that hospital will leak that, and it will look extremely bad on the mayor's part. So she had a press conference. Yes, guys, I tested positive for COVID-19. I'm about to go away for 14 days. I will be working from home. I have no symptom. It is not serious. And, you know, go from there. So it was in her best interest to do that, guys. And she did it. And I'm happy for her, because she beat the senseless news cycle to the punch. All right, guys, I'm at my place of employment. I appreciate y'all listening to me rant. It wasn't really a rant. I just wanted to talk, okay? I haven't did one of these type BTJTs in a while. BTJT come out, video come out every day, man. I'm trying to put a repair video out and a talk session, BTJT, a break video out twice a day, every day. All right, guys, I'm at work. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. I don't know what's on my plate in here today. I know I have to finish up that 3.6. Oh, I have a transmission with a P0740. Getting ready to do a torque converter in the front pump. I keep getting asked this question too, guys. I'm gonna address this while I'm doing this transmission. Guys want to know, because I think the scan tool giving off a code like TCC out of range, torque converter clutch. So guys always call me and ask me, how do you replace the torque converter solenoid? On the 62 TE, guys, there is no... Well, let me shut up. I'll talk about that while I'm working on the car, guys. That's all I have. BTJT, thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next video.